What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We've got back here with a bumblebee and the matches and the glove. I'm going to light one of these in my hand and throw it up, and then I'm going to grab a second one, put it in my hand, light it and leave it. You can see these things aren't dangerous. Shit. Right. Obviously it's really windy, that's why this doesn't want to light. I even feel the wind on my back. Didn't work. That was pretty cool. Prepare to be astounded. No, I'm not gonna lie. Just flaming balls, night out Spitfire. I'm not gonna like that, because that'd be stupid. What did I do with that bumblebee? This one I am going to leave in my hand. Alright, so I'll leave this one in my hand. That just dropped off. Fucking hell, these matches are weak. Well, that got me there, but it also left that little black darker mark in my glove. So obviously these things do burn. So, that was pretty fun. Kieran Nielsen out. Subscribe!